Hello, in today's video we'll discuss how to withdraw money from your debit card online. Make sure to watch until the end to understand the complete process and additional tips. You can withdraw funds from your debit card either through your bank's website or mobile app. To do this via the bank's website, first, open your bank's official site and log into your account. Navigate to the Funds Transfer tab and choose the option to transfer funds from your debit card to your bank account. Select the debit card you wish to withdraw money from, then enter the necessary details and the amount you wish to withdraw. After confirming the transaction, the money will be transferred to your bank account. If you prefer using the bank's mobile app, start by installing the app from the Play Store or App Store if you haven't done so already. Sign into your account, find the money transfer option, and select the option to transfer money from your card to your bank account. Enter your details when prompted, input the amount you want to withdraw, and confirm the transaction. The funds will then be transferred to your bank account. And that's it. Withdrawing money from your debit card online is straightforward and easy. Thanks for watching, or